Okay, today we are going to redesign the logo of a Japanese restaurant. We thank Takemachi, our sponsor today, a Japanese restaurant at Vilnius. This is the old logo and we are going to use Claude AI to create a new one. This is the prompt that we have created. So as you can see, we want to design a new logo. The file of the logo is Japanese JPG, and we have also requested to Claude to design this new logo based on some design Japanese history and some historical design inspiration of the Japanese culture. Okay. So here we are going to select all the text and copy the prompt on Claude AI. Of course, in your case you can write it down your own desire prompt and request, and at the same time now. Let me see, where is it? I'm going to drag and upload the old logo, the one that we want to redesign. Here it is. Okay, so let me see, drag and drop on Claude AI and upload our logo, the old one. Let's check that the prompt is correct and it's what we want. Okay, and now let's start the process. Let's see what is going to do Claude with our request. As you can see, start to generate some explanation about what kind of action is taking, and you can see on the right column that is calculating some example. Here we have a result. Okay. The request, as you can see, is in JPEG, and we have the option to download and also an explanation of what it was done and how it was performed, our request. Okay, now what we're going to do is just to click and save the new logos. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 options. And then I will show you what was the original one and the new one created by Claude AI. Okay, let's save the first one here, then it's here. Okay, let me show you the first result. So this is the new logo 1 option, and now I'm going to save and show you also the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth, and the sixth option. Okay, give me a second that I'm going to download them, the third one, fourth, fifth, and so on. Alright, so this is the original logo that we want to redesign, and this is the first option proposed by Claude. Then we have the second one, very beautiful sun with the sponsor Takemachi. A third option with a third logo proposal and a fourth one. This is very nice with some hiragana and katakana there, and then the last one. Okay, thank you very much for watching this short video, and try by yourself.